Hey guys, coming to you from Toyota headquarters once again. Behind me is the brand new Corolla Cross. There's a lot of Corolla Cross emblems on this car. Apparently they're very proud of calling it the Corolla Cross. But what happens when you take a Corolla, you give it some ground clearance, all-wheel drive capability, and a nice hatchback with added interior space? Corolla Cross makes sense to me, so let's do a quick walk around on it. Corolla Cross emblem here. You also have it on the wraparound taillights. Now that's also on the rear bumper here. Corolla Cross. So we've already seen Corolla Cross listed 3 different times on this vehicle. This has the small 1-inch hitch, I believe that's what it is, as an accessory. Now you guys can tow up to 1,500 pounds with this vehicle, whether it's front wheel drive or all-wheel drive. Now this is the XLE model, top of the line with the largest wheels you can get, the 18-inch wheels. Now this also has the optional roof rack, but if we get inside, we have Corolla Cross here on the door insert. We have Corolla Cross on the mat. Guys, I'm already losing count. I think that's 5 times. If we count the other mat, that's 6. We count the other door sill, that is 7 Corolla Crosses. Now, the interior is a very familiar interior. This looks just like the Corolla. I reviewed the Corolla Hybrid. I really like this interior. I don't know what else to say about it other than it's minimalist, it gets the job done, it's comfortable, and it's very easy to use and easy to spend a lot of time in this vehicle. Now, since there's a bike here on the back, I'm not going to be able to open the hatch, but let's check out the back door and sort of rear legroom. Now, the front seat is set up for me, which is 6'1", and my knees do have some space here. It is poking into the rear, but since it is a soft, we got soft text in this top trim, this is a soft material for your knees to sink into if you absolutely need to. No mat pocket here. Got the mat pocket on the passenger side, and there are charging ports way down here at the bottom for the passengers. Of course, all-weather mats to match the front all-weather mats on this specific model. We do have a sunroof option in this XLE, and let's see what the cargo capacity is like as I fold it down. Now, this is going to be great if you have little puppies, or you need that extra cargo capacity. You guys are going to be able to bring a lot of versatility into your life with a vehicle like this. We have a tonneau cover. I would probably just take that out most of the time because it gets in the way in my experience, but you also have this OEM. Look at this OEM netting here. So your balls, your watermelons aren't going to be rolling around. Guys, get your head out of the gutter. But it is a very nice all-weather tray as well back there. Very versatile. Good room. The roof doesn't slope down that much as I'm looking at it, so it keeps its tall roof for the most part all the way back. Now let's finish our walk around with the front. What did I say? We saw a Corolla Cross 7 times before on the vehicle. Well, here's another one right there. That's going to be 8. I'm going to back out, and this vehicle is going to be going head to head with like the Subaru Crosstrek, probably the Kia Seltos of the world, etc. And I think Corolla is going to do well with this addition to the family. Now, Toyota is expecting about a quarter of their sales to come from this model in the coming years. To be honest, with the crossover trend being as crazy as it is, the Corolla in just a few years' time could probably be outsold by the Crosstrek or the crossover model, which is the Corolla Cross. But overall, guys, it's a very handsome SUV. And it is pretty darn compact, lots of interior space, good amounts of versatility in this vehicle, all-wheel drive optional, 30 miles per gallon, all-wheel drive 32 miles per gallon, front-wheel drive. Guys, I'll see you down below with your questions on the Corolla Cross. How many more crossovers do we need? Oh, also, the CHR might be sticking around. And if we want to talk about hybrid, because there's no hybrid variant of this, looks like Toyota is going to announce some sort of hybrid addition to the lineup in the spring of 2022. That's kind of the things I'm hearing. Nothing's official, of course, but it's things I'm hearing around. When you're at Toyota HQ, you hear things from the horse's mouth, but things are always subject to change. But guys, see you in the next video. Peace out.